Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Jennifer, and we have another unboxing. This is going to be that Cricut Easy Press that I mentioned in one of my previous videos. If you haven't watched it, you should. It is for the Cricut Air 2 machine. Yes. So, with no further ado, let's go ahead and get this box open. And if you could, watch the whole video. Okay guys, so we have our Cricut Easy Press 2 box open. And of course, these are the instructions. It says, let's do this, but we'll be back with that in a moment. This is a heat press. Let's take it out. I'm not sure if there's any assembly needed. There's a piece. Hoping it's just you have to put on that one piece. Which leads me back to the instructions, guys. For the Cricut. All right, let's open up the bag and see what we have in here. Nice little weight here. Comes in a little carry bag, but I'm sure they have, I think I saw a bag that they had in there was $20, $30. But I'm sure this has to be pretty self-explanatory. But sometimes, like, opening that bag wasn't, because clearly it was open. You hear that? So yeah, I probably need to read the instructions. So I will be back with this demonstration for the Cricut Easy Press 2. I'm going to use the Quick Guide as a reference because they have given us a Cricut iron-on. It's like a shimmer green. And then that bag that I took the product out of is your sample material. So we are going to actually use our Cricut for the first time right out the box. So it actually says to set the time and temperature. We want to turn it on. It says we of course have already plugged it up. We have power, and we have to set the temperature to 290. So you press the temperature gauge, and then you press the plus over here. This is your power, this is temperature, this is a timer, positive, negative, and this is, I guess, for your activity. Okay. So it says here, turn the temperature to 290 degrees Fahrenheit, set the timer for 30 seconds, which is already set for 30 seconds. And when it's ready to go, you'll hear a beep. All right. And so to get prepped, it says find your surface, make it flat and firm. And what we're going to use is a towel. I have a fluffy towel here. We're going to use that. Make sure to avoid flimsy padded ironing boards. To protect your surface, use your Cricut Easy Press mat, which they do sell at Michael's. It was about $30, but in place of that, we can use a folded towel. So we preheat the base material. Place the press over the drawstring bag, pressing for 5 seconds to remove wrinkles and moisture. Never skip this step. Trust us, it's important. We are doing the step that they said here. To put the press over the bag to get the wrinkles out and the moisture. And it recommends that you never skip this step. Okay. Okay. I did just beat. Now it actually says to position the included pre-cut iron-on material onto the center of the bag, shiny side facing up. Place circuit easy press on top, start the timer, and apply gentle pressure until it beeps. And so after we do this for 30 seconds, it's down to 10 seconds. We're going to flip the bag over for another 15 seconds and press the other side per the instructions. It doesn't seem to have anything, a number less than 30, so we're going to use 30 and stop it at 15. That's what we're going to do. Okay, stop that. Sit it back on the resting press. And it is hot. So the big finish, we're gonna flip it over. While it still feels warm to the touch, test the corner. If the liner does not lift easily, reapply heat and reheat for a few more seconds. And it does come off easily. Remove the liner and voila, your new Cricut drawstring bag is ready to go. And this film, this is like your transparent paper. It's still sticky. And it seems to be pressed fairly well in there. And this is the big finish. Congratulations, we did it. And so with the, of course, the bag, you get your information to register your product and the instructions, which pretty much was just kind of pictures of things that you can do with the machine. And it also needed a 2-prong adapter to plug it up. So that's what I plugged it up with. And I like it. So far, so good. This is mint green, which is the same color as the Cricut machine, the Air 2 that I just did an unboxing on the other day. So they coordinate. And then I'm going to take a picture of my little cart where I bought that little wood piece from the haul, Michael's haul the other day. I'm going to put that on top, show a picture of that, and then you can see my setup. So if you like my video, please comment, share, and subscribe. And until the next video, be blessed. Take care.